Lekomiti ejongene nokuziphatha kwamalungu ePalamente ithi iqhubela phambili nophando lwayo ngokumalungu eEFF natyholwa ngokuphazamisa inthetho yesizwe kaMongameli nebihleli ngoFebruary walonyaka.
The Council indicated that it is premature for both ourselves and Council to determine whether there was a contempt of Parliament. What needs to be done is that we have to follow the procedure and apply the principles of audi alteram partem and afford an opportunity to the members after they've been identified to put their side of the story and be heard, after which we'll make a determination whether there was contempt of Parliament.
Kodwa umbuzo ngokuba akukho ukuqala amalungu ePalamente ephazamisa iPalamente, kutheni lo malungu angazange athatyathelwa amanyathelo?
We have got a duty to deal with the matters that have been referred to us. Ever since this committee was established, there were two matters that were referred to us. It was the SONA, the February SONA this year disruption, as well as the disruption during the budget vote speech of Minister Pravin Koda. So we're dealing with these two matters. I cannot, of course, account to what happened in the previous Powers and Privileges Committee because I was not a member.
Omnye umbuzo wokuba kukuthini ukuphazamisa iPalamente nalapho kuhlala kukhona ingxoxo-mpikiswano.
Disruption arises out of a situation where Parliament is not able, Parliament or any of its committee, is not able to proceed with its business of the day. And that arises as a result of disruption. Now, members of Parliament are free to raise whatever issues that they would want to raise, but they will have to do that within the confines of the rules. There are rules that have been adopted. They are applied to the members. Members know under which circumstances they will have to express their views and so forth.
Kusenjalo ezakuvela phambi kwalekomiti amalungu eEFF eyokuziphendulela kwezizityholo.